combine lists. Okay, combine lists with this and this lists. Then sort them alphabetical order. Yeah, so let's sort them. The order, the elements should be sorted. Create a list ordered plants, alphabetically ordered. To store them in, like hint, the list variable should contain all plants as individual elements before sorting from here and here. Okay, so let's make a new list equal to this and this, right? It's combine. How to combine the list? By using add, right? We can combine the two lists and print new list. And let's see. Look at this, the new list. They're combined, not like list. They're not. Yeah, it's not like nested list. It's just simply list. They just combined. Okay, combined like this. Okay, and okay, solution. I think you can check the solution. You can run, and yeah, if we made some mistakes, please correct us. Okay, let's go to let's go to let's start. Okay, exercise. Yeah, sets. It's also another, yes, another data structure type. Okay, so sets data structure type. So sets are data structure type. I think sets. Okay. Okay. Let's download this one. Set, and there is a set exercise here. Create. So go to here, set. Okay. Yeah, just wait. Okay, till then maybe let's go here and let's read